color. Like if I match the colors there. Like that would be really cute. Oh no. These are actually so cute. Like, I literally love them. Alright, well that one's not fitting. So maybe I can do this and fit that in there. Cute. And I can put this either down and around. I'll figure it out. Okay. Ghost energy. Ghost energy. Ghost energy. Bang energy. Not sponsored. Then we have these drinks. Put these up here. Oh crap, it doesn't fit. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna kick my sister's drinks out from up here, her Red Bulls, and put them down here, because technically I did buy that pink thing from Temu and it is mine. So I'm just gonna move her stuff down there and stack mine in there. Very cutesy, very demure. This is for my YouTube channel. Yeah. Hopefully if I start now, then I'll be big later. You know what I'm saying? It's gathering ghetto. Alright, and this I'm just gonna stuff under there. Perfect. And then that won't fit under there, so I'm gonna make sure this lid is screwed on and just kind of plop it up there. This is more of really a drink fridge. We don't really put much snacks in it. Although we do have some like true fruits in there. Kind of like a dessert snack fridge.